Hey everyone, and welcome to a relaxing coloring session. Today, we're coloring this adorable mom and baby owl perched on a cozy branch. This picture has 10 different colors, perfect for creating a beautiful, detailed scene. We'll start by filling the large areas of number 9 with blue to make a soft sky around our nocturnal friends. Next, let's move to the foliage and ground, using number 4, for green for the main leaves. And now we'll use number 3 for the light green for highlights and smaller plant details. Time for the owls. Beige for number 8 is the main color for their fluffy body feathers. Color both the mom and the baby owl. Spell owl with me. O-W-L, owl. Let's color the sturdy branch they're sitting on using light brown for number 10. Get all those nooks and crannies. Now, we'll use brown for number 7 to add depth and texture to their secondary feathers and wings. Next, let's brighten them up. Use orange for number 2 for the little feather tufts on their heads and the edges of their face masks. This brings a lovely warm glow to the picture. Almost done! We are using yellow for number 5 for their big, wise eyes. a tiny pop of red for number 6 to any small berries or accents you see. Finally, grab black for number 1 to finish their eyes, claws, and beaks. This makes the picture look complete and sharp. And there is our cozy owl family, finished and looking wonderful. I love how all those colors came together to create this charming woodland scene. If you enjoyed this relaxing coloring project, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy art tutorials.